Okay, so when we expand brackets, what we're going to do essentially is remove the brackets because we're going to multiply the term out the front or the number out the front by both of the things inside the brackets. So let's begin. We're going to go 5 times the x and then 5 times the 4. Now, you'll notice that these terms can't be added together. Okay, we can't simplify what's inside the brackets because they're not like terms. So all we can do in this case is multiply the term out the front by everything inside the brackets. So we're going to start off with 5 lots of x, which gives me 5x. And then 5 multiplied by 4 gives me a positive 20. So you'll notice now what we have here as our answer is simply both of these terms inside the brackets, okay, multiplied by 5. So the next one, we're going to multiply 2 by the e and then 2 by the minus 9. 2 lots of e gives me 2e. Now positive times a negative is going to give me a negative, and 2 times 9 is 18. So we multiplied the e by 2 to get 2e, and we multiplied minus 9 by 2 to get minus 18. Alright, now we have 5m out the front, so we're going to times 5m by the n, and then we're going to times 5m by the 2. So 5m multiplied by n gives me 5mn, and 5m multiplied by 2 gives me 10m, because 5 times 2 is 10, so 5m times 2 is 10m. Okay, 8a times a. Well, a times a is going to give me a squared. So 8a times a will give me 8a squared. Alright, now it is a negative because a positive times a negative will give me a negative. So 8a multiplied by 3 gives me 24a. Alright, so 8a times minus 3 is this minus 24a. And we've expanded these brackets. This time we've got a minus out the front, so we're going to multiply both things inside by the negative 3. Okay, so minus 3 times x gives me minus 3x. And now minus 3 times minus 3 is going to give me a positive 9, because minus times a minus gives me a plus, and 3 times 3 is 9. Now, this final question here, what we actually have out the front is a minus 1. There's an invisible 1 there, okay? So we've got negative 1 multiplied by 2x, and then negative 1 multiplied by positive 5. Now, multiplying by a negative simply is just going to change the signs. It's not actually going to change the number. It's just going to make a positive into a negative. So minus 1 times 2 is minus 2. So minus 1 times 2x will give me minus 2x. Minus 1 multiplied by 5 is going to give me negative 5. And that's how we expand our brackets.